AOPS Volume 1, The Basics, number 65. A test has two parts. The first is worth 60% and the second part is worth 40%. If a student gets 95% of part 1 correct, what exact percent must the student get in the second part to average 90% for the whole test? So, we need to suppose certain quantities to help us solve our problem. So, let's let x be the total number of points on the test. And let's let a be the percentage of part 2 that he needs to get correct. Notice A is the percentage of part 2, not the percentage of the entire test. And so now let's utilize the information. We're told that the first section is worth 60% of the test, so 0.6x, and the second part is worth 40%, 0.4x. And he got 95% of part 1 correct. And since part 1 is worth 0.6 of the entire test, he must have got 0.6x times 0.95 of the entire test correct. And if we evaluate this, we would get 0.57x, meaning he got 57% of the entire test correct. And now we just need to find the percentage of A of the second test that he needs to get correct at a minimum in order to average 90%. So 0.57x, the total number of points he got correct in the entire test, added to the percentage of the second test that he must get correct, A times x, should give us a total percentage of 0.9x. So therefore, we must subtract 0.57x on both sides to get ax is equal to 0.33x, hence A is equal to 0.33. And since 0.33 is the percentage of part 2 he must get correct, how much is 33% of 0.4x? Well, that is nothing more but 0.33 divided by 0.4, which is equal to 330, if we, not 330, 333 divided by 40. And this will evaluate to be equal to 82.5%. Or this will evaluate to 0.825 because I did this before starting the video. And the reason why this makes sense is because if we want to find the percentage of a certain number, we just divide that percentage with the number to obtain 82.5% or 0.825. So the solution to our question will be 82.5%.